Hello everyone and welcome to ThinkEE. In today's first lesson, we'll discuss one of the most fundamental principles in electrical and electronic engineering, that is Ohm's law. This law forms the foundation for understanding circuits, components, and how voltage, current, and resistance interact. Let's go through the concept. Ohm's law explains the relationship between three key electrical quantities. Those are voltage, current, and resistance. It simply states that the current flow through a conductor is directly proportional to the voltage across it, as long as the temperature remains constant. Let's go through the formula. Mathematically, Ohm's law is expressed as V equal I into R, where V is the voltage in volts, I is the current in amperes, and R is the resistance in ohms. If we know any two of these quantities, we can easily calculate the third one using this simple formula. Let's go through example problem. Let's look at a quick example. Suppose we have a resistor of 10 ohms and a current of 2 amperes flows through it using Ohm's law. V equal I into R, that is 2 into 10, that gives 20 volts. That means the voltage across the resistor is 20 volts. Let's consider the real world applications. Ohm's law isn't just a theory. It's used everywhere in real world electrical systems, from designing simple circuits to calculating load currents in power systems. Engineers use this law to ensure proper operation and safety. As recap and outro, to recap this simple lesson, Ohm's law links voltage, current, and resistance through a simple yet powerful relationship, V equal I into R. Understanding this concept is the first step toward mastering circuit analysis and electronic design. Thank you for watching this ThinkEE lesson, where we make electrical and electronic engineering simple and clear. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engineering lessons in every week.